मुहम्मदुन सय्यिदुल कौनैनि वत्तक़लैन मुहम्मदुन सय्यिदुल कौनैनि वत्तक़लैनि वल फरीक़ैनि मिन उर्बिन व मिन अजम।
He is Muhammad, peace be upon him, the Lord of both the worlds, the Lord of men and all the hidden parts, the Lord of the Arabs and the Lord of the rest of the world.
Huwal Habibul ladhi turja shafa'atuhu, huwal Habibul ladhi turja shafa'atuhu likulli hawlin min al-ahwali muqtahim.
He is our the dearest, to whom hopes can look forward for succor and redress in all befallings, calamities and sudden frights.
Ya akramal khalqi ma liman aludhu bihi, ya akramal khalqi ma liman aludhu bihi siwaka inda hululil hadithil amami.
हर मुसीबत आम खास तू है मेरी तकियागा।
Oh, the most generous of all, who else is there to give me protection in sudden calamities and common mishap? Surely there is none except you.
فَإِنَّ مِن جُودِكَ الدُّنْيَا وَضَاعَتَهَا، فَإِنَّ مِن جُودِكَ الدُّنْيا وَضَاعَتَهَا، وَمِنْ علومك علم اللوح والقلم.
This world and its counterpart, the other world, owe their existence to your liberality. Even the knowledge contained in the pen and the board is just a fragment of the sciences you are the master of.
مولاي صل وسلم دائما أبدا على حبيبك خير الخلق كلهم. مولاي صل وسلم دائما أبدا على حبيبك خير الخلق كلهم.